everyone, my name is Astra Batul and welcome to my channel Astra Batul Art Studio. Yes, I have finally started a YouTube channel where I'll be teaching you art. I'm so excited to start this new journey and share my passion of art with you all. Many of my friends and followers who have been watching my art on Instagram or Facebook have been telling me that I should start a YouTube channel soon so that I can impart my artistic expertise or knowledge virtually so that anyone who wants to learn it I can actually access more people. So have you ever wanted to learn drawing, sketching or paintings in different mediums, let's say watercolors, acrylics or oil painting, especially the detailed ones? So you have come to the right place. So from today onwards I'll be uploading YouTube videos in which I'll be explaining different techniques and mediums to you, and definitely I'll be explaining them in the easiest way possible. I've been creating art since 10 years and I have learned so much along the way that I am really eager to convey whatever I have learned to you all. Whether you're a beginner or you want to refine your skills, we'll be covering everything from the basic techniques to the advanced tips. On this channel, we'll be covering step-by-step tutorials, fun challenges, and creative lessons that will definitely help you grow as an artist. My goal is to make art learning fun and accessible for everyone. I am here to guide you through every brush stroke, every pencil line, and help you unlock your artistic potential. So if you love art as much as I do, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me for all the upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching and I cannot wait to create with you all. Let's make some amazing art together. Also, don't forget to share my channel with all your friends who really want to learn art. And yeah, see you in the next video.